I'm on the FFG stand here at EMO in Hanover. Now, behind me here we've got a Leadwell 5-axis machine. Now, you'll know in the UK, Lead Precision Machine Tools supply the range of Leadwell. I specifically picked up on this machine because of I suppose how interesting it is and how well they're actually doing with this product at the moment. And to try and explore a few of those reasons as to why that is, I do know, or you will know, that Leadwell sell 5-axis machines with Fanuc controls. And they also sell 5-axis machines with the knuckle tables, the trunnion tables. This 5-axis is a little bit different. In fact, this BC 600 has the ability to do full 5-axis simultaneous machining, and as a result of having this heidenhain control. And that's something that's different here. It's taken Leadwell into a different market. The heidenhain control is a very popular control, especially for 5-axis machining, and that's partially one of the reasons why they're selling a lot of these machines. Also, by looking at the configuration, I like the way that B-axis head rotates. You've got a C-axis integrated into the table. But in addition to those two features that give you the 5-axis machining capability, you've still got a very large bed. So you've got a big X-axis, a big Y-axis, which means that if you're not doing 5-axis work, you can still use this in the same way that you would a 3-axis machining centre. Now, you'll know that Leadwell machines are very competitively priced, and this one is no different. It's a stable workhorse, it's a very flexible machine tool, and these are available now from Lead Precision Machine Tools in the UK. If you're looking at 5-axis and you're looking at something a little bit different, then this machine could be an option for you.